Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Are you ready to mix some colors? We are going to mix the colors yellow and red. Which color do you think it will make? Mix with a brush. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. It's becoming orange. Wow, that color is so pretty! Now make your crab design. I'll wait a little if you need to pause the video. With the color orange, I'm going to paint my crab. This time, I'm going to paint down. The crab is a strong and colorful animal. Don't forget to darken his body a little more. It has 6 legs. Don't forget to paint all of them. Did you know crabs walk sideways? It is a very funny animal. Now let's paint the claws. It almost pinched me. This crab is very friendly. I'll end with the eyes. My crab is so beautiful! Today we learned to make the color orange. What will be the next color we're going to learn? Stay tuned to the channel and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye!
Infantix!